Boom! All new narrow crown stapler. I'm looking forward to this since I now own a window installation company. This is going to save me lots of time so that I don't have to nail in flanges anymore on windows with roofing nails. So let's get into it. As per usual, opening these things, it's a massive pain. Now I should mention that I've already used the DeWalt version and it did not like these 1.5 inch length, driving it into some filler that we were trimming out a window with. So I was disappointing on the DeWalt side. But yeah, instructions, enter to win. I actually did win a t-shirt one time, so fill those out. Sometimes you actually get shit. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Trash. Oh yeah, here we go. Nice. I like that they retained the rear release. I think on the DeWalt it was like on the front, which was weird. So yeah, let's put some staples in here. 1.5 inches. Might as well push it to the limit, right? Boom. Fully charged battery. I pretty much only use these 5 amp hour batteries. I know they have 6 and a bunch of other stuff, but you know, whatever. So, oh, you have to like turn it on. Oh, weird. What the? There's a power button. What? Why is there a power button? For safety? Oh, it's got a light? Forward facing light? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. We have our depth gauge. Okay, this is a much nicer depth gauge than on the DeWalt one. That's, yeah, that's a lot nicer. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's get some material. All right, material. Let's just see what it can do. Oh, wow, instantaneous. Okay, something is funky. Oh yeah, our depth is set all the way at the bottom, so we need to go to the top. Okay, so that was set all the way at the top. 1.5 inch staples. Okay. Oh yeah, nice and flush with the 1.5 inch. Oh man, no hesitation, no wind up like the DeWalt. Wow. Now that's pretty fucking sweet, if I do say so myself. And with the light, could come in handy, I guess. Oh wow. Instantaneous gratification. Little spare tip. Might be another one in the box somewhere that might have fallen off. I've literally never changed one of those, but thumbs up. So that's on rapid fire. What's it do on single? Oh, it won't let you depress the trigger and fire. So if I depress the trigger and fire, instantaneous. Oh, so fun. Joyous of joys. Again, Milwaukee, much better than the DeWalt. Much better. Yeah, I've used the DeWalt. I did a job with the DeWalt and a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and was not impressed. But this instant fire, 1.5 inch, no problem. So, I mean, with the tremendous extra power here, I might have to actually dial in this gauge rather than just maxing it out per usual on the old yellow tools. So might actually require some tuning here, which is cool. So for the uninitiated, the depth gauge just moves the little indicator here, the aimer, in and out. And what that does is it effectively just moves the entire stroke of the mechanism further away from the material or closer to the material, because, you know, like if we have it further out, here, let's see if I can get it. If we have it further out, then the tip of the gun is further away from the material, not the indicator, just the tip of the firing pin, which is here. The firing pin, that's the actual firing edge of the firing mechanism there. So if we go all the way to our most deepest penetration, then you can see then the firing mechanism is flush to the material. So you get the most out of the firing pin. Nice. So fuel, I like that it's, you know, got some rubberized bumpers, you know, in what seem to be kind of good spots. It's got a belt loop hanger. Nice. Actually, kind of a good one. I guess that's so you can turn it off without taking the battery out, which is kind of nice. Like if you throw it in your toolbox. I mean, pretty straightforward tool. Looks like it has a separate battery indicator here on the power button. Let's see if we turn it back on. Oh yeah, it's green. Tells you what mode we're in. Oh, does it default to single when you turn it off? Oh, it sure does. So you have to switch it every time. Well, whatever. That's okay. For instantaneous rapid fire, fuck yeah. How cool is that? Pardon the language, but I like the no wind up, which is how the Brad nailer is too. So 2 thumbs up, Milwaukee. Good job. This is gonna save me so much time. Maybe I'll do a little follow-on video actually shooting some nails through plastic fins on windows. And with the DeWalt, it didn't break it, which is why I bought this. I think by actually using the depth gauge here, we'll achieve some success. All right, thanks.